Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if the Steps app location is not working. So if your location is not working on the Steps app, then what you can simply do is, first of all, what you need to do is open the app, and I have a few ways in order to fix this. However, the most important thing is just heading over into settings, just like this, and once you've done that, scroll up till you find the search bar and you will be able to type in Steps app and it shall pop up just like this. Now what you need to make sure to do is that background app refresh is enabled, live activities need to be enabled, motion and fitness need to be enabled, and then what you need to do is click on location. You need to make sure that location is set to always and the precise location is also enabled. When all these settings are enabled, your location should be working over on the Steps app. If it's still not working, then the second thing I would recommend doing is opening the app, going into workouts right here, heading over to the top right corner of your screen at that settings icon, and then what you need to do is just make sure to disable keep display always on and click on done, and that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.